Hello beautiful people, compliment of the season. I'm Angie Styles. So our DIY inexpensive gift idea continues. Okay. So right now we are in the cold period. You know, the weather is so cold. Cough, catarrh, flu, all that. So in every family we need to have something like a vapor rub to rub the chest and the lungs, and you know, to get a relief. So tonight I'm going to be sharing with you a simple DIY pain relieving / cold ointment. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. Here I have about 1.5 ounce of coconut butter, that's coconut oil. Okay, and here I have about ½ ounce of cocoa butter, and here I have about 1 ounce of organic beeswax. Everything I'm using here is organic. Make sure you use organic coconut oil, organic cocoa butter, organic beeswax. I'm using the white beeswax. You can use the yellow one if that is what you have available. And here are the essential oils we're going to be adding to it. Here I have lavender essential oil. Here I have camphor essential oil. And this eucalyptus essential oil. Here I have peppermint essential oil and rosemary essential oils.
It's a Blue J production.